In this video, I will tell you everything about the extensions in Shopware 6. You can find the extensions in your dashboard on the left-hand side. So if you click on Extensions, you get two new menu points. Store, where you can directly go to our Shopware store, or My Extensions. This is the point where you can see all your already purchased or installed extensions. But we click on Store for now, and we get to this page then. Before we get access to all the extensions in the Shopware store, we need to activate it. Please keep in mind that this could take a few minutes. We can now see an overview of all the available extensions in the Shopware store. What we can also see is a badge, which tells you if the extension is self-hosted, which you can then use in your on-premise version, or if the extension is also available for the cloud version. In the overview, you've got the possibility to filter the extensions user-defined. So you can sort the extensions by the popularity, the category, the rating, the certification, the payment, and some other filters. But you could also search for any extension in this field up here. So let's look at an extension now. I'll take the DHL shipping extension. Up here you can see the name. You can see that the DHL shipping extension is powered by Pickware, that it is self-hosted, so you could, or you are able to use it in your on-prem version. Down here you have all the information about this extension. You have the details and even the rating and review. Up here you can see the button with Add Extension. So if we click on here, you can see that this extension is for free, and after I accept the terms and conditions, I'm able to add the extension. We are now in the overview of My Extensions. Here we've got a list where we can see all the installed and activated apps, the installed and deactivated apps, and all the apps which we haven't installed yet. So to install an app, just click on Install App. In the meantime, I'll just explain to you what the difference between apps and themes is. Apps expand the usability of your shop, and themes are there for the design. So you can change the design of your shop with a theme. So now there's just one more thing to do. Let's take a deeper look into our overview. Up here we've got the possibility to hide our inactive extensions. We can sort the extensions by last updated or the name. And with these three dots, we can look into the details of the extension, we can rate the extension, or we can even uninstall it. If we go to Themes, we also get a list with all our purchased themes. We can also hide the inactive ones, and we can rate them. In this menu point, Recommendations, we've got a selection of useful extensions for your shop. Shopware account. Without an account, you can't connect to the Shopware store. So this is the point where you can see that you are logged in. And last but not least, if you own an extension, you could also upload it here.